Morning. This is a frosty morning here at Bliss Hill. I'm in the plasterers again. I'm just getting the fire going. Very important job. There we are, it's all frosty outside. I'm just opening the place up. Sort the float out in the till. There we go. Just getting things ready. So that was the Morris dancers. I've got to get some work done. I've got some plaster work to do, so I can't hang around. I'll get told off. See you later. Right, it looks like the Bliss Hill Morris dancers. Very good. Excellent. All happening down here. Let's get some work done. Lots of musicians are looking to set up over there. Go and have a look. There we go. Dressed in the part. Right, things are warmed up a bit now in the plasterers. Outside there, I don't know whether you can see. There's a collection of people. Where are we? There. Look like they're going to be a band playing. So we're going to have a little look at them. But the fire is all good. The fire's all lovely and warm. Let's go with that. Have a look in there. Oh, lovely. So the fire's all sorted. So we're okay. We're just waiting for a few customers. Let's have a look out there, shall we? Oh, it's a rather cold one. So we're just going to set this place up. Going to get these mouldings turned round. Well, we'll see. We're going to do some of these. Do some nice ones today. And get some of these started. And wait for the fire to get going behind. There you see that? Oh, lovely. Like a bit of a fire. Right, I'm just going to go in here and get my overalls on. And get warmed up and start. Catch you in a bit.